Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify highlights. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify highlights, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list of apps, you will enter to Spotify. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to storage here and you will enter. When you will find this page of clear cache, you will click here in this sign. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will find here uninstall and you can click to uninstall your app. And you can wait a moment to install again your application to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.